Hi guys, today I'm making sticky date pudding. In your blender, add in 500 grams of pitted dates and 1 cup of boiling water. Push the dates in so that it's completely submerged in the water and allow it to stand for about 10 minutes. Then add in 1 cup of brown sugar, 200 grams of soft butter or margarine, and 4 eggs. Put the lid on and blend on high for about 10 seconds. Transfer the mixture into a large bowl, then add in 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then mix it together well. Transfer the batter into a greased baking pan. Mine is 30 by 25 centimeters. Spread it out evenly and bake in a 180-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Remove it from the oven and use a skewer or a fork to pierce holes along the top. Add on your homemade or store-bought butterscotch sauce. Mine is store-bought from Woolies. Spread it out evenly, then allow it to cool down slightly. Serve it while it's still warm with some ice cream or fresh cream. To make individual servings, cut pieces of the pudding and place them into your dessert cups. Then pipe on some cream and add on some crushed walnuts. And it's ready. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.